Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss make 100s power for home, no experience required. Today is called grabpunch.com. There are many ways that you can earn money on this website. Stay until the end of the video because I will be showing you how you can optimize this website. You can read it here that they have a generated highest payout. You can earn money on this website by watching TV, so just by watching video on this website you are going to earn money, and those videos are actually not boring because they are all entertained. You have to maximize your earning on this website. To register on this website, you can sign up from a Facebook or Gmail account. Take a look at this payment method on this website. I want to sign up for my Gmail account. In this form, you have to fill up, submit your information correctly. Answer the survey and earn money. Check offer detail. Click survey. You can see a lot of work here. Click watch. Here you can earn income by watching TV. Check your offer. If you want to earn more income, there is referral income. You can copy and share your referral link. You will get commission from the person who register from the link. Thanks for watching.